Let's do a short 2-minute present moment awareness meditation. Come to a seated position, hands resting on your knees. You can put your fingers in Anjali Mudra with your forefinger and your thumb together. Or you can bring your hands to the prayer position. Take a moment to feel into your senses. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you. Feel the air caressing your skin. Can you hear any sounds around you? The rain, a little bit of thunder? What about the smells? Can you smell the rain cleaning and oxygenating the beautiful air you breathe? Become softer and more receptive to all of your feelings and sensations. Be here now, in this present moment. And let's take a deep inhale. Hold it at the top and exhale. Thank you for joining me today for this mini meditation. I hope you feel more present and grounded and have a beautiful, beautiful day.